The casting of the children was something very particular. I knew that I had to find children who were almost living the same situation.
قد ايه عمرك يا زين؟
ما بعرف بدك تسألني.
عصير القصور والايد معصور.
They needed to understand what they were doing. Of course, the little kid Treasure is too small to understand what she was doing, but it was very important for me that this film was not going to have any actors. I was going to work with people who have some kind of the same experience and who are going to bring their own experience into the film.
ليش عم تتصل فينا زين؟ كيف بقدر ساعدك؟
بدي اشتكي على أهلي.
طالع معي هلا بالبرنامج لتقول شو؟
بدي الكبار يسمعوا شو عم بقول أنا. بدي الكبار يلي ما بيقدر يربي أولاد ما يجيبهم. شو بدي أتذكر بعدين أنا؟ ضرب ولا سحسيح ولا لبطات ولا شو؟ النبريش بالجنزير والشحاطة. قال لك كلمة اسمها روح من هون يا ابن الشرموطة وروح من هون يا ابن الشلكة.
He's a Syrian refugee who's been through a lot. And so he grew up on the streets because he wasn't going to school. And that's why he was able to portray this character so well. And even, you know, he became, the name of the character was not Zayn in the script, but it became Zayn later on because for me it's just one person.
وشو بدك من اهلك؟
ما بقى بدي إياهم يخلفوا.
علي صوتك بس.
ما بقى بدي إياهم يخلفوا.